So right now we're going to install the LED headlight. With the LED headlight, I have to run one of these negative converter because these older Japanese car, the way it run their headlight is super weird, not like the standard cars. So I have to run one of these negative converter and some LEDs headlight, and hopefully we can see better at night. So with the other conversion, there's like a little adapter that you can mount somewhere, and you have to run the harness to each headlight. So with this, you can just mount this into the housing, and then that should work with the LEDs or HIDs. Because before I was having issues where I turn on and it won't turn on, and then it would affect my lighting system because I'm running like a different current or something. But yeah, so this will fix it, especially on the older Toyotas where they use the negative or like a negative switch. But yeah, so this should able to work with the new LED headlights. But if you have like a regular halogen light, it'll be no problem. But it's just the fact that we're running HIDs, the way that they run their power is different than the halogen type. And remove the housing. And we pull this down and carefully like that. Okay, and we'll go ahead and remove the metal bracket here. So there's one here, one right here, and one right here. And be careful, don't drop this. These guys are super small. If you want, you can put the tower here. You get your bumper. Get it out. And just unplug it from back here. Perfect. I get one of the contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner. Kind of spray this, clean it, and we're gonna clean this area right here. So we get ourselves some alcohol, and that's where we're gonna mount the module. And same thing for the back of this. Kind of get some alcohol so that it has some good double-sided tape. What I use is a 3M locking tape where it snaps it in place. So it's on there pretty tight. So we're gonna mount like this, and then we're gonna aim it right here in this area so it's nice and perfect. So we're gonna put it on this side, the left side a little bit, which are these guys right here. Got it. Like that. Peel off one of these. Right there. And make sure this is dry. Perfect. And I'm gonna put this in and just hold it for like 30 seconds. Just hold it down for 30 seconds. And next step is we're gonna run, so this will go into the stock. This will go into the stock plug, which is right here. And then this one will go into the LED, and this is the ground. I run it right here. And we're gonna mount it to this 10mm bolt right here. This is a 10mm, which is M6. We're gonna undo this. So now we're gonna mount everything back up. Okay, and now there's a little gap. So put this in, and do not try to drop this in there because it's a pain in the butt to get. So just put a little bit, let it hold it in place. Okay. Now the bottom one is gonna be a little, just be very careful. Okay. Now don't go crazy on this because the metal is really thin on this little bracket. Okay. And this is to adjust right here. This to adjust left and right. And the one down here is to adjust up and down. So that way you can angle it so that you don't blind people. Okay, that's it. And we put this back on. There we go. And make sure this piece go in here to hold the housing up. And that's it. So we'll test the up and down. So now we test it up. Perfect, look at that. So much brighter than before. So, and this is the right side is OEM, the left side is LED. So much brighter. Here's the result of the LED. It's way better than the OEM one. And the fact that it has a nice cut on the road, so that way you don't blind people on the other side. So yeah, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, high beam, there you go. So here is the headlight. OEM headlight. So here's driving with the stock OEM headlight. Here's the headlight, the OEM one. So here's the LED, so much brighter than before. Light up the whole street here on the road. Probably aim it down a little bit, but other than that, it looks good. Here's the after with the LED installed. Way brighter than before.